So I think veneers are something that can really not only enhance your smile, but really bring confidence into your life. Our goal is to always be as minimally invasive as possible. So how are we setting up your mouth, your bite, and everything else to then support that veneer to be as minimally prepped as possible, to last for as long as possible, and to really be you. So not all veneers are created equal. So we want to make sure we have the right colors and textures and things that look as natural as you want them to be or as vibrant as you want them to. Once someone is ready to move on to that step in their treatment, it's not just about their smile. I mean, a smile is so simple to talk about, but really when you walk into a room and someone's radiating a smile, that really is the energy of that person. So when I'm finishing a smile design, that end day of when we're like doing the final veneer seat and that person's seeing their smile for the first time, it's really about that moment of my life is now different. Now I have more confidence. Now I can, apply for that new job or just be that kind of positivity in other people's lives as well.